Update for my hair. Kahuhugas lang ng ating hair. Harap tayo sa window. So, ganyan ang kulay niya kapag nakatapat sa ilaw. But obviously, kung hindi rin siya masyadong bright, mas different yung kulay niya. Anyway, so I explain how these things goes. If you notice, the top one is a lot lighter or browner, I don't know, and then the bottom is like a little bit reddish. The reason being is because I got so much white hair in this part of my hair. My understanding is pag blended siya, so the lighter your hair, the lighter the result is. Because I got really coarse, dark and thick hair, meaning is like my hair is like dugay ba siya tablan og kulay bitaw. That's my problem with my hair. Kay dagko siya grano, baga pa jud siya, so dugay jud kay siya tablan to become more blondier, you know. Yan yung tinatanong ko is about my hair. Gusto kong maging yung may highlights ba, yung parang uban na highlights, para pag tumubo yung uban, nagbe-blend na lang siya. So the problem with my hair is very dark. So every time I'm going to the salon, they always decline, like, I'm so sorry, I cannot take you in because your hair is too dark and too thick. So we cannot do anything about it for one-time color only. And then, when I went to Dubai, this guy is quite famous. I think all over the world, binibisita siya. Nakikita ko lang siya sa TikTok actually, which is, pinapanood ko na siya mga more than 2 years na. And then, bago pa to si anak kong babae nag-apply ng trabaho, hindi ko pa alam na yung future niya mapunta sa Dubai. And then, wala lang, hindi ko na siya hinanap. Nakalimutan ko na yung guy na yun na, you know, like, I just admire his work. Mainly talaga yung problema is the gray hair. So, yan yung problema ng mga babaeng pumupunta, yung mga kababaihan na pumupunta sa kanya. But because of my situation, by the way, it's very expensive. Just to let you know that I'm not going to reveal the price here. Just do your research. Gusto ko kayo maka-experience para makurat sad mo sa presyo, no? Anyway, so that's the, I want to insert that about, you know, just a heads up lang ba. Pero hindi ko naman akalain na, yun nga, mangyayari siya ba, yung lagi mong iniisip, one of this day, makapunta din ako sa salon niya. Then, little did I know, katabi lang siya kung saan kami naka-check-in sa hotel namin doon sa Dubai. Check out na ako to fly to Philippines. Pero mahaba yung oras ko, which is I have 12 hours. Pero yung check out time, 12. Pero nag-check out ako ng maaga dahil gusto ko nga ikot-ikot pa ng konti. Dahil, syempre, first time ko sa Dubai, no? So, yun na nga, guys. Ikot-ikot until, you know, like, of course, you need to use your Google Map, the closest hair salon, blah, blah, blah. Pero yung unang nag-pop up talaga, yung guy na yun really is just walking distance where we stay at our hotel, you know, like, as in, next door lang talaga. But anyway, wala naman talaga akong balak na pumunta sa kanya. Baka kasi hindi ako kukunin dahil walk-in. Anyway, so I texted him kasi may contact number naman. Sabi ko, hi, I'm checking out today. I have flight to catch tonight. Wondering if you have available for today's appointment for my hair, and then blah blah blah, that's it. And then later on, mga siguro mga 15 minutes lang yan, nag-reply siya. And sabi niya, hi, yes, available at 11:30. O sabi ko, that's great. Pero before that, minention ko na andito lang pala ako sa hotel, na dito, blah blah blah. And then sabi niya pa nga, we are just neighbor, you know, like that. So yun guys, ang story. But here it is, my hair right now. But it's a process. After mong magpakulay sa kanya, meron siyang ibibigay na formula na itatouch up mo siya na ikaw na lang, which is good. Tapos may instruction naman kung ilang spoonful, at saka basta yung mix lahat na touch up, nililista niya, ibibigay sa'yo yun. Tapos syempre, kasama na yung treatment kasi nga, di ba, bleaching, magda-dry yung hair mo. Tapos may leave-in conditioner, mga ganon, paano i-look after yung hair mo. So, today, I just touch up, which is mas, nung una to, ano pa to, medyo pulang-pula. Ngayon, hindi na siya masyadong mapula. The next step up ko nito, magla-lighter brown na to. Mas lalo siyang maging lighter, and lighter pa. Hanggat sa ma-achieve natin yung gusto kong ma-achieve. And although I don't want to go blonde, gusto ko lang maging lighter siya para the next time that I'm going to see him, maybe after 1 year pa siguro. Gusto ko na yung parang hinihingi kong, can you do a highlights please? Yung ganyan. Yun ang gusto ko. Yung uban ba, ayaw na talaga magpapigil. Yung tuloy-tuloy na siya. So that's my reasoning about my hair color. You know, like, kasi kung itim kasi yung buhok ko, pula kasi ang lalabas sa highlights kung gusto kong magpa-highlights. Dahil nga sa sobrang itim ng buhok ko. So, anyway, kwento ko lang. Yun lang. Walang filter to ha. Tingnan mo yung itsura ko. Pangit. You guys, andito ako sa pinakasikat na salon sa Dubai. Oh my God. Pasensya na sa hair. Alam nyo, kinakabahan ako kung magkano ang bayaran ko dito. Dahil sikat na sikat tong taong to. Anyway, my appointment is 11:30. So, kinakabahan na ako. But I'm well prepared naman.